Welcome to my lecture. We are following this book. First chapter of the book, Accounting in Action. Just today lectures on learning objective 4. Do it. Just table analysis. Do it for table analysis. Transactions made by Virmari and Company, a public accounting firm. This is a service-oriented organizations. For the month of August are shown below. Prepare a tabular analysis which shows the effects of these transactions on the expanding accounting equation, similar to that shown in illustration 1.8. That means illustration 1.8, a tabular summary of soft byte transactions which I already discussed. You will find the video in my business school. So here we have 5 transactions. Number 1, the owner invested. Number 2, company purchase equipment. Number 3, this is the service revenue or paid house rent. Withdraw by personal use. Okay, now table analysis. Number 1, the owner invested $25,000 cash in the business. So for these transactions, in cash transactions, he invested $25,000 in cash. So in asset side, our cash will be increased, and for this investor, owner's equity, that means owner's capital, will be increased. That means this equation, asset equal to liability plus owner's equity, the both sides will be affected, cash and owner's capital. This one. Number 2, the company purchased 7,000 of office equipment on credit. Please look here, dear learners. Company purchased 7,000 office equipment. So office equipment is an asset. So asset office equipment will be increased, and on credit, on credit this is liabilities. That means accounts payable will be increased. Okay, I think clear to everyone. Number 3, the company received 8,000 cash in exchange of service performed. So the company received 8,000 cash. So this is asset side will be increased. Who is on the cash? This is cash. The cash here will be increased 8,000. This is the service revenue. The revenue will be increased. So this is our revenue. The two sides will be affected for these transactions. Number 4, the company paid $850 for this month rent. So paid, that means in our asset sides the cash will be decreased. That means here cash will be decreased, and the month's rent, that means house rent, that means this is owner's equity will be decreased. Which side? The expenses will be decreased. That means this is our expenses. Okay, so this both sides affected. So now owners withdrew $1,000 cash for personal use. So here this cash, the for this drawing asset which on the cash, this account set will be decreased. That means the cash will be decreased for this drawing $1,000. And personal use, that means this owner's equity will be affected here. So owner's which side? Owner's drawing. The owner's drawing, here will be the owner's drawing. This $1,000 will be affected here. So here. So now we get the balance of cash, this figure, and the equipment, this figure. This is the asset sides, and in our liability sides This $7,000, this is our accounts payable. Owner's capital 25,000. Owner's drawing 1,000. Revenue 8,000 and expenses 850. So altogether, this is the collective figures 38,150. This is this figure and this figure is equal. So accounting equation just asset equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Here this figures is equal or homogeneous this figure. Okay. So our next lecture on do it 5. Just we will do another tabular analysis. The end. Thanks.